Greetings. I'm Nathan Marsak. I love Bunker Hill. But I'll admit, sometimes I lose my bearings up here. So because Bunker Hill is such a confusing conundrum, I always make sure when I come downtown, I come here to bring a guidebook. Unfortunately, all of my guidebooks are like literally from 1956. And that's why I brought the guide that I needed. The guide that you need. Marsak's Guide to Bunker Hill. Why? This handy dandy little booklet will tell you exactly where you are. Down to the square inch. What you do when you get there, that's up to you. Speaking of getting here, I expect to see you June 17th on the esoteric tour, Modernist Marvels. It's going to be 3 hours of me talking Bunker Hill. We're going to talk Art Deco, Late Modern, Corporate International Modern, Late Modern, Postmodern. It's going to be a hoot. Get your book hot off the presses. Get them signed by me. Keep talking Bunker Hill and Bunker Hill and Bunker Hill until you just go mad. See you there.